Production of drilling liquid with the AVS 150. In the process of drilling an oil or gas well, a special drilling liquid is used. This liquid is made directly before extraction of the fossil fuel. Its use addresses many problems, from filtration and cleaning of the well to safety issues. Therefore, using such solution is required in any drilling operation. To make the emulsion, we used a carbon-based composition, diesel with the density of 835 kg per cubic meter, water, and the following concentration of other components per 1 cubic meter: 20 liters of Emultal emulsifier, 12 kg of organophilic clay, 20 kg of limestone, and 90 kg of salt rock. In the experiment of making the solution, we tested it with a viscometer for plastic viscosity, with a filter press for filtration and crusting at 7 atmosphere pressure for 30 minutes, we also tested electrical stability and the density of the solution. We received the following results. Plastic viscosity was 11 centipoise. Filtration was 3.8 cubic centimeters. Electrical stability was 429 volts. Density was 940 kg per cubic meter. The production rate of the AVS 150 was 2 to 2.5 cubic meter an hour.